very happy new year. The Nifty bank is now above all the daily moving averages as the street was fearing them to be resistances. Nifty, however, is hovering around the flat line. Do you think the Nifty bank will outperform more from here on and there will be congestion on the Nifty?
Good morning, Mangalam. A very happy new year to you and all the viewers as well. Yes, see, Nifty has outperformed sharply if you compare with Bank Nifty. And we can clearly see Nifty has taken out its previous high, which was somewhere around 17,640 and is much higher from there. But Bank Nifty is just about to take that high, which was made on, I think, 13th of December, which was somewhere around 37,500 levels. It's still not taken that high right now. So the overall trend for Bank Nifty remains positive. I think Bank Nifty can now outperform Nifty because it has to catch up with Nifty, and Nifty has a very strong resistance around 18,000. The call writers are active at 18,000. We can clearly see huge OI build up there. So it is difficult for Nifty to cross that 18,000 mark, but nevertheless, the trend remains positive. And I think on Nifty, any dips that is seen towards 17,750 can be used as a buying opportunity as long as 7650 is intact on the downside. And we can expect a trend towards that 17,990 level, just below that psychological level of 18,000.
All right. And individual stocks, what are you betting on?
First stock is on the buy side is Chambal Fertilizers. We can clearly see in this space the sector is buzzing, and Chambal Fertilizer is giving a very strong breakout above its daily balling up bands right now, and there is a possibility we can expect it to move towards the level of 456. One can maintain a stop loss of 410 on the downside. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be Thermax, a very strong recovery from the lows of 1600, and the stock is just about to give a breakout towards its 52 weeks high. I think there is a possibility the volumes are picking up well, so we can see a good move on Thermax. Buy at CMP, keeping a stop loss of 1825 for the target of 2035.
Well, speaking of Thermax, this morning we had the management joining us as well, and they were pretty bullish and talking about the resilience that the company is facing irrespective of the kind of COVID wave that the country is currently going through. So that is something that is also keeping the street excited on that stock. Ashish, thank you for joining in. With that, we'll slip into a short break. On the other side, we'll get Kitex Garments. The stock is on our radar.